Hello, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Julie. Tonight, in this lesson, we're going to be looking at one word, one little word. This word is away. So many people have difficulty understanding this word, using this word, incorporating this word. So we're doing a YouTube video on it to help you better understand how to use this little word away. So let's switch over, get our lovely work screen, and here we have it. Using away. So the word away is a funny little word that is not always easy to translate into other languages. It doesn't really exist in all other languages. It just means not here or somewhere else, or being at a distance from a person, place, or thing, putting something in its proper place, to be absent or gone, not present, distant in space or time, to turn your eyes in another direction, to transfer or give something from one's possession or ownership, distancing oneself from someone or something. So it kind of just means away. If you can just make that movement away, that's kind of what it means. No, that is exactly what it means. Okay, it's really very easy, as you already know. So let's look at some sample sentences using the word away. Our summer cottage is about 60 miles away from here. So 60 miles away from here. Look at our little summer cottage. Your son was away several days last week, referring to away from school. Your son was away several days last week. This is the reason why he is behind in his work. We all waved goodbye as the ship sailed away. Moving from a distance, at a distance. Not here, away. If you make too much noise, all the birds will fly away. Why did you turn your head away when he spoke to you? Go clean up your room and put all your toys away. Back in the boxes, in the closet, wherever they go, in their proper place. Just not here, put them away. I did the groceries. Now you can put everything away in its proper place, in the cupboards, in the pantry, wherever the groceries go, in the fridge, in the freezer. Just not here, away. My cat caught a hamster, but fortunately, the poor little thing was able to get away. He even got a little bus, a little van, and started driving away from the cat. Not here, away. Cute little thing. All the snow will melt away in the spring. It won't be here anymore. It'll be away. The police arrived too late and the thieves got away. Who will take care of your pets while you are away? Away on vacation, away from your house. We have a substitute teacher today. No, we have a substitute teacher because Mrs. Jenner is away today. She's not in class. She's not in the school. She is away somewhere. Maybe she had a doctor's appointment. Maybe she's sick. We don't know, but she's just not in school. She's away. I folded all the laundry. Now I just have to put everything away in the proper place, in the drawers, in the bathroom, in the closets. Christmas is only 3 weeks away. The store is not very far away, so we can walk there. Get away from me. You're too close. Don't be here. Go away. Get away from me. All our important documents are locked away in the safe. I can't watch the nurse stick the needle in and draw blood from my arm, so I will look away. She won't look at her arm or the needle. She will look away from that. How can she be away again on vacation? She was away 2 weeks just last month. I didn't want it anymore, so I gave it away. All her brothers and sisters moved away many years ago, so they don't live around here anymore. They live in different cities, maybe different provinces, countries, or states. We don't know. All we know is they don't live here anymore. They moved away. You are too close to the fire. Move away, or you might get burned. Can I take a message? He is away from his desk at the moment. So she's taking a message because he's not at his desk. Where is he? We don't know. He's just away. My husband always puts his tools away, which means in their proper place. He numbers them. I don't know why, what that refers to, with little hearts and numbers on them. I don't know, but they're not lying all over the garage, all over the floor, outside in the driveway, in the kitchen. They are away in their proper place in the garage. I put the fish back in the water and it quickly swam away. Look at how fast this fish is swimming away. I couldn't even get a still picture of it. It was swimming away so fast. We will be away for the weekend, so I will call you next week. We won't be home. We will be away somewhere, maybe visiting friends in another town. A quick weekend away to the cottage, maybe. If you take the painkillers that the doctor prescribed, the pain will go away. You won't have pain anymore. It'll go away, the pain. He started yelling, so I just walked away. I didn't stay there to listen to him yell and scream, so I walked away. Several houses along the shore were carried away by the severe flooding caused by the heavy rain. My boss is away on a business trip this week, and he will only be back in the office next Tuesday. Bye, boss. Someone left the gate open and my dog ran away this morning. Look at this bad dog, free as a bird, running in the streets. Somebody should have closed the gate because now he ran away from home. All of her expensive jewelry is hidden away in a safe place. He wiped away her tears. These boxes are full. You can take them away now. So they're either going into storage, going into garbage, being given to charity. We don't know. We just don't want them here anymore, these boxes. So take them away. You can't just walk away from your problems. You have to face your problems. You can't just walk away. You have been working so hard lately. You should really get away for a few days and relax. Perfect relaxation moment. All my money blew away in the wind. The snake slithered away in the tall grass. Look at that snake. Okay, so that's all you need to know, how to use the word away. Just remember, it's not here, it's somewhere else, away. Okay, so if that video helped you, you can subscribe to my channel, put a like on the video, leave a comment down below, or just say hello in the comments section below. If you guys want to improve your English quickly, you can get yourselves a copy of Basic English. This is the 3rd edition. The 4th edition is coming out shortly. But for now, we have the 3rd edition. This workbook is available everywhere. Distributed by McGraw-Hill. You can find it everywhere, especially on Amazon, of course. If you guys get a copy of this book, I don't want you to leave it on your shelf. I don't want you to leave it in the closet. I don't want you to leave it in a bag or the box that it arrived in. I want you to open the book, start on the first page, and complete the workbook right through to the end of the book. The answer key is at the back to support you while you are learning. Your English will improve drastically once you start working in this book, and especially once you complete the book. If you guys are having trouble with your verb tenses in English, which is really so easy, but so many people tell me how much difficulty they have understanding English verb tenses. I don't know why. It's so easy. So you can get a copy of this book, available everywhere, including Amazon, of course. When you get your copy, you open it up, you start on the first page, you complete every page right through to the end of the workbook. And the answer key is also at the back to support you while you are learning. So that's everything I have to say to you guys, except for one more thing. I also have a Facebook page where I put up all kinds of little things that will also help you with your English. It's called Learn English with Julie Lachance. So you can check that out, and we can meet up over there. You can also send me a message over there and say hello. For now, that's it for tonight. So I wish you guys a pleasant evening, and I'll see you all in the next lesson. So good night for now.